Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the KEYWING phone camera lens kit, a 3-in-1 powerhouse that promises to elevate your smartphone photography game. No need to fumble around with complicated setups. This kit boasts 3 distinct lenses that you can use individually, giving you the versatility to capture every moment just the way you want. Let's talk about the lenses. First up, the 20x macro lens. With a sweet spot focusing distance of 1.18 to 3.54 inches, it's your ticket to exploring the mesmerizing micro world around you. Whether it's intricate details of a flower petal or the texture of everyday objects, this lens brings it all into sharp focus. Next, the 120 degrees super wide-angle lens. It expands your shooting area by 10%, opening up a bigger view of the world. Perfect for sweeping landscapes or group shots where you want to fit in more of the action. The lens design is zoom-focused, and with manual focus control, you have the power to fine-tune your shots for optimum clarity. And now, my personal favorite, the 198 degrees fisheye lens. This one adds a playful touch to your photos, producing a strong visual effect that makes things look absolutely adorable. It's a fun way to inject creativity into your shots and stand out on your social media feeds. Quality matters, and KEYWING understands that. The lenses feature professional HD glass, utilizing advanced lanthanide optical glass to minimize reflections and ghosting. The high-grade aluminum shell not only protects the lenses but ensures long-lasting durability. Using these lenses is a breeze with the clip-on design. Simply attach the lens to the clip, secure it onto your phone's camera, and you're ready to roll. The clip comes with soft rubber to avoid any scratches on your precious device, and the strong spring ensures a tight grip, giving you peace of mind during your photo adventures. The universal compatibility of the 3.6 cm clip means these lenses can elevate the photography game of a wide range of smartphones, including iPhone 6 to 13 Pro, Samsung, Google phones, and more. Just be mindful of different camera positions on various models. Inside the package, you'll find the 120 degrees wide-angle lens, 198 degrees fisheye lens, 20x macro lens, universal clip, storage bag, and user's manual. It's a comprehensive kit that provides everything you need to unlock your phone's full photographic potential. In conclusion, the KEYWING phone camera lens kit delivers on its promise. It's a user-friendly, high-quality solution for anyone looking to take their smartphone photography up a notch. So, if you're ready to explore new perspectives and capture stunning moments, this lens kit is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.